How are you, my dear students as well as parents? I hope you may be fit and fine sitting at home. I'm very thankful to Nishal Nair sir, our respected principal sir, Mr. Nishal Nair sir, as well as Vice Principal ma'am, Mrs. Anita Raji Thomas, to give me opportunity to make this video related to awareness of COVID-19 vaccine. We all know, dear parents as well as students, because of this COVID-19 pandemic situation, we faced lots of problem because of this COVID-19. But there is a ray of hope, we can say, if we are doing vaccination, so we can overcome from this situation. So how do COVID-19 vaccine work? So we will see now. The COVID-19 vaccine produces protection against the disease as a result of developing an immune response to the SARS-CoV-2 virus. Developing immunity through vaccination means there is a reduced risk of developing the illness and its consequences. This immunity helps you fight the virus if exposed. Now, who can get vaccine? Everyone above 18 years of age will be eligible to get vaccinated against COVID-19 from May 1st. The central government said on Monday. The center has liberalized the vaccination drive to allow states, private hospitals and industrial establishments to procure the doses directly from manufacturers. Now, as I am forcing that we have to take vaccine for COVID-19. So how safe is COVID vaccine? So COVID-19 vaccine are safe, and getting vaccinated will help protect you against developing severe COVID-19 disease and dying from COVID-19. You may experience some mild side effects after getting vaccinated, which are signs that your body is building protection. After vaccination, you may face some side effects that are mild headaches, pain or swelling at the injection site, mild fever, irritability. Side effects should go away in few days. Get the second dose even if you have side effects from the first shot, unless a vaccination provider or your doctor advises you otherwise. Phase 3 of COVID-19 vaccination drive starts. COVID-19 vaccination will be made available for all citizens above age of 18 from May 1st onwards. We ourselves have administered vaccine and our family members also. Now we are safe from COVID-19. Are you? If not, then you have to take vaccine and you should be also safe. And tell to your family members, neighbors, friends that phase 3 of COVID-19 vaccination drive starts, and COVID-19 vaccination will be made available for all citizens above the age of 18 years from May 1st onwards. COVID-19 vaccine task force, as the majority of the population are still susceptible, means non-immune to the SARS-CoV-2 virus, and the virus spreads easily. It is clear that a safe and effective vaccine is needed to prevent future cases. A COVID-19 vaccine prepares the immune system so that in the event of an exposure to the virus, it is able to respond and prevent or reduce the severity of infection. During April 2020, a UK vaccine task force was set up to support the development of a SARS-CoV-2 vaccine. The task force supported research and industry to rapidly develop and scale up the manufacture of a vaccine to protect the population. I got my COVID-19 vaccine. What about you? If you have not got, you have to take a very serious action against COVID-19. Yes, you are very essential. Getting a COVID-19 vaccine adds one more layer of protection. So COVID-19 vaccination, how will I get vaccination information after registration? So after registration, you will receive SMS messages on registered mobile number. First SMS will be generated for confirmation of registration. Second SMS will be generated mentioning the date, time and the place of vaccination. Third SMS will be generated for completion of vaccination and due date for next vaccine. Fourth SMS will be after completion of second dose along with link for digital certificate.
दूरी तुम धरना, शुद्धि तुम रखना, आदत बनाना, मास्क पहनना। दूरी तुम धरना, शुद्धि तुम रखना, आदत बनाना, हाथ धोना। शंका न कीजिए, वैक्सीन लीजिए, 2 डोज वैक्सीन भूलिए ना। शंका न कीजिए, वैक्सीन लीजिए, 2 डोज वैक्सीन भूलिए ना। डरना नहीं, सचेत तुम रहना, कम ना होना कभी सावधानी। पाना हमें है विश्व में शांति, शांति से सुन लो तुम इसको अभी। दूरी तुम धरना, शुद्धि तुम रखना, आदत बनाना, मास्क पहनना।
आज सारी दुनिया बेचैन है, परेशान है, अपने आने वाले कल के बारे में अनजान और बेखबर है। पर दोस्तों, हमें किसी भी हाल में हार नहीं माननी है, हौसला बनाए रखना है। इस लड़ाई में जीत हमारी होकर रहेगी। चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, साथ मिलकर हम एक नई दुनिया जरूर बनाएंगे।
हौसला दिल में बसा कर आज खुद को आजमाए। काबिल नहीं मान ले क्यों, एक नई दुनिया।
All problems are part of life, and to solve them one by one is the art of life. Stay positive, better days are on their way, but before that we should to help ourselves. We should take vaccine, we should make ourselves safe and others also. If we will take vaccine, we will make ourselves as well as others safe. So vaccination will be made available those who are above 18 years old. For all citizen it is open, so please take advantage, be safe. Definitely we will overcome from this COVID-19 situation. Be positive, stay home, be safe, take vaccination. Last but not the least, to all the healthcare workers on the front line of the coronavirus pandemic, I am thankful to all these people. Thank you. Take vaccination.